Hi, this is Tutor Dick P, and this is lesson 471. Title of today's lesson is the difference between dangerous, in danger, as a preposition in two words, and in danger as a verb. So students could mix these up. I often catch students making some mistakes with these, and this video will cover that. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, now's a good time. All right, let's get right to it. If someone is dangerous, he or she is likely to harm, kill, or injure someone. So if someone's dangerous, it means they could cause harm to other people. Let's continue. The phrase in danger is a prepositional phrase, which means that someone is in a situation in which harm can come to them, or he or she is exposed to risk. So you're in a situation which harm could come to you, then you are in danger. Let's continue. Now, in danger, one word, as a verb. In danger is a verb which means to put someone or something into a situation where they are likely to be hurt or harmed. So somebody or something is putting you in this situation, and that's when we use the verb in that sense. All right, let's take a look at some of the examples we have here. Of course, with the X, that's wrong, and with the check, this is correct. So here's the first one. This is wrong. That political candidate is dangerous. He may lose the election. Yeah, I've heard students say this. So if you're saying he's dangerous, it means he could harm other people. Now, what the student actually meant here was that political candidate is in danger. All right, he's in this situation which harm could come to him. He may lose the election. Okay, let's continue. The next one, if you go to that park in the middle of the night, you are dangerous. Well, if you go to the park in the middle of the night and you're dangerous, it sounds like you're the person who's going to hurt other people. Maybe you're a mugger, then you might be dangerous. But that's not what the student meant here, so that was wrong. With the check would be right. If you go to that park in the middle of the night, you may be in danger, because maybe there's a lot of muggers hiding there and they may try to mug you. So if you go there, you could be in danger. All right, let's continue. Your obesity is a serious problem. You will be dangerous. Okay, again, you don't say this. With the check, this would be correct. Your obesity is a serious problem. Obesity could endanger your health. So again, here we're saying endanger means it could put you into the situation where, danger could come to you. So it could endanger you. All right, let's continue. That species is dangerous and could become extinct. Now, of course, with the X, this is wrong. Although we do use the word endangered species as an adjective too. But here, of course, the student made the mistake. If you say the species is dangerous, it means the species could harm other ones or other species, other animals or people. That's not what they mean, though, when they say become extinct. So here's two that are correct. We could rephrase it and say that species is in danger. Use the prepositional phrase, meaning that, harm could come to him because of the situation. That species is in danger of becoming extinct. Okay, and the last one here, loss of habitat endangers that species' existence. So the loss of habitat, this is what puts this species or this type of animal in danger. So loss of habitat could endanger that species' existence. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clearer now. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.